Hello, I'm Kishan and I welcome you to the Easter special dessert episode. And today we are going to make hyper-realistic Pinacolada egg. So let's get started. To make this hyper-realistic Pinacolada egg, you will need silicone egg mold. Take egg-shaped silicone mold on plate and brush white chocolate to make egg shell. We will do double coat of white chocolate to make little thick shell as we will be piping filling and set it in refrigerator. For that we will need thick shell which can hold our filling. Once shell is setting, let's make whipped white chocolate ganache and add shredded coconut to it. If you don't know the recipe of whipped white chocolate ganache, you can watch full recipe of it on my YouTube channel, link is in description. Once shredded coconut is properly fooled in whipped white chocolate ganache, keep it aside. Then take pineapple crush or puree and add equal amount of white chocolate in it and mix well. You can also add food color to make it more appealing. Now it's time for filling. First, fill in coconut ganache in shells. Then spread it with mini bent pellet and let it set. Once it sets properly, take a round scooper, dip it in warm water and scoop out coconut ganache from center. Scoop it from each shell and then pipe pineapple ganache in it and let it set. Once each half is set, you can serve it open as well, but for today we will rub it on hot plate and stick two halves together to make an egg shape. Check this out, doesn't it look exactly like an egg? Now, to make this dessert more appealing, we will make chocolate nest, for which you will need to take crushed ice in a deep plate and pour water in it. Then pipe dark chocolate in a circular pattern to make a nest. This method is used by professionals to make delicate piped garnish which sets within few seconds as soon as it comes in contact of cold water. Once this nest sets, you can see how beautiful it looks. Now take a plate and put chocolate nest on your plate and place egg in center, and you have this hyper-realistic Pinacolada egg dessert ready to impress your friends and family. Or you can sell it in your cafe and restaurants as well. Now it's time to cut it open. Here you can see how beautiful and realistic it looks like an boiled egg. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do try this at your home and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing desserts.